So if you're a busy parent and you just can't be bothered cooking lengthy meals and you just want something really quick and fulfilling, this is a great hack. So basically what you do is you get any company parathas, frozen ones, and you kind of defrost them slightly so they don't actually stick. I'm just going to peel this one and show you, because what usually happens if it's too defrosted and they start sticking to the plastic. Now you don't want that to happen, because then it'll start ripping as well. So I've got one piece of paratha. I've already floured the surface that I'm going to put it on. You need flour, like maida or flour, whatever you've got at home. And I've just cut it in half. And a day before I made lamb mince meat, and that's what I'm going to be using as a filling. Now I've already made some pastries, so I can show you guys how they've turned out, and they were really nice. And the other thing is that if you don't eat meat, then obviously you can choose your own filling, but obviously it has to be some sort of a dry filling, because otherwise it'll start leaking out of the pastry. So here I'm just going to push down the edges with the fork so it's closed up. As the pastry puffs up in the air fryer, the filling doesn't come out. So I'm using an air fryer. You can make them on top of the cooker hob, and you can also use your oven. I'm going to tell you what I use on my Ninja, which is 180 degrees and for 20 minutes, and you're going to put it on the bake setting, and after that I'm just going to show you the ones that I'm making at the moment. As you can see, they've got a nice brown color, which is what you want, but a bit more browner, so like a nice cooked pastry, and they come out really flaky. And here's my filling, and as I said, you have to use flour as well, only a little bit, you don't need a lot of it. And this is the company that I'm using, because I'm in Pakistan at the moment and I am cooking in the bedroom because it's so hot, like I said. And I also had 2 eggs, which I'm going to be using as a egg wash on the top, and I'll just show you how to do it. So here I've done 2 pastries, I've put them in, and what I'm going to do is now to put the egg wash on top. Now the egg wash on top is to make the actual pastry brown really nice, and give it a nice flaky, nice look, basically nice. You'll have a shine to it as well. Now in the air fryer, it does cook at the bottom as well, so the whole pastry is going to be all browned up. These are the ones that I've already made. I'm just going to show you. I've made quite a few actually, because I've got boys in the house, and they're really nice. And but I may not be using these dome paratha because they had a bit of a little aftertaste to it, which we didn't prefer. But other than that, it was really nice. So I've plated it up. Here we have got chips, beans, and the pastries. And they were really nice and flaky, and it was just amazing, and it was just so quick as well. I mean, you can make them in advance and just leave them in something, to keep them warm as well. And the other thing is that you can reheat them as well, in whatever you want to reheat them in. And so thank you for watching my vlog. And as you know, I'm new to all of this. Do subscribe to my channel.